Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is truly network locked. Look for the SIM network unlock PIN prompt. Once done, get the IMEI using *#06# or settings and write it down. Carriers need it to generate codes. Make sure you know whether the device is under contract or has unpaid balances, because that affects eligibility. Back up your data and charge the phone to 50% or more. Finally, power off. Remove and reinsert the original SIM to reproduce the lock message before contacting anyone. You now request the official unlock. Call or use the carrier's portal, provide the IMEI and account holder info, and request a network unlock for your device. Once approved, the carrier sends an unlock code or pushes an OTA unlock. Expect fees or processing windows. When you get a code, power off, insert a non-carrier SIM, power on, and when prompted, carefully enter the code. Make sure to use the exact digits. Too many wrong tries can permanently block unlocking attempts. You finish by verifying full network functionality. Make a call, send an SMS, and test mobile data. If data or MMS fail, update the APN or carrier settings in Settings and reboot. Sometimes a PRL update or network reset fixes lingering issues. If the unlock code didn't work or you see a permanent block, don't keep guessing. Contact the carrier to escalate or visit an authorized repair center. Remember, avoid random free tools. Use IMEI-based official unlocks to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.